Okay, today's verse of the day is the slacker craves yet has nothing, but the diligent is fully satisfied. So that's from Proverbs 13:4. I love that verse because honestly, I was about to stop making content and I just started on YouTube, but I was about to just quit because I get in my head a lot, I overthink a lot, I compare a lot, and that's not good. Not going to get anywhere if you're just like overthinking, overanalyzing, thinking like having woe is me type of thoughts. Same thing with running. I would think about working out, I would think about my fitness, I would contemplate doing it, and then I would be like, I'm kind of tired today. I'm actually not. And like never satisfied, never proud of myself, never accomplishing anything because I'm just making excuses. The slacker craves yet has nothing, but the diligent is fully satisfied. So if you're trying your best, if you're getting your workout in, or if you're, spending time with God, or you're eating well and you're trying your best, that's what matters the most. Let's go do this run. It's a 30-minute recovery run. It's very chilly. Honestly, don't really want to run right now because I'm cold, but let's just do this 30 minutes and see how it goes. Every time I turn my camera on, there's a car. I'm still self-conscious about filming in public, so my hips definitely start to hurt. So I think I need to start doing like hip workouts. And I'm just saying this because I'm documenting for myself. But my pace has been getting better, which is good. I started this whole running thing at like an 11-minute pace. Now today was like a 9:37 pace. So slowly getting a little faster, which is exciting. I actually don't mind running in the cold when the sun is out, but when it's like gloomy and cold and windy, it's actually kind of brutal. But right now it's so pretty out. It's almost dinner time, so it's my husband's birthday tomorrow, but I'm gonna take him out to dinner tonight in Pingree Grove. So actually in Huntley, there's like a brewery out there. So I'll show you what I eat, what we order, because I just like love watching people eat. Is that weird? I just like it, and I like sharing what I'm eating. So I feel like if I like it, maybe someone else out there likes to see too. But I'm just gonna go home, shower, get ready for dinner, get my toddlers ready to go to their grandparents' house. And yeah, I'm so happy I did that. And in that Bible verse, I was just like thinking, like, there's so many things that I don't do because I'm being lazy, or because I'm having like self-pity, or because I'm comparing. But the slacker craves and has nothing, but the diligent, what does it say? But the diligent is fully satisfied. So I feel fully satisfied doing this run. And it just makes everything a little more brighter when you get a workout in. That's how I feel, like mentally. Like it just has like it like lifts my spirits a little bit, makes me excited for dinner, makes me excited to shower. Like all the little things kind of feel a little bit more like upbeat. That's probably just a me thing, but no, that can't be just a me thing. I feel like a lot of people feel that way. Okay, yeah, that's all I really want to say. So I'll see you at dinner.